guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It is hot outside today. It is around 90 degrees. We've been outside working and we're ready for something refreshing and cold. And what is more refreshing in the summertime than watermelon? I happened to find the seedless watermelon on sale at that a couple of days ago, and we are going to make a watermelon slushie. I've got my NutriBullet, my big container. I've got a 16-ounce glass of ice with about a half cup of water added, because this NutriBullet likes just a little bit of liquid in there. Otherwise, it protests. Okay? I've got my watermelon cut up in chunks. I can't tell you exactly how much watermelon, other than how much will fit in here. Jackson, do you like good watermelon?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, I've probably got maybe 3 or 4 cups of watermelon in there. So we're just going to put the lid on. And hope for the best after we plug it up. Well, I think I would call this more like a watermelon juice rather than a slushie, but that's okay. I added more watermelon in it than ice, so that way it's a little thinner. That is so good, guys. It hits the spot. No sugar added, just the natural sugar from the watermelon. You guys have to give that a try. FYI, it's also good using cantaloupe. But thanks for watching, guys, and as always, we'll see you on the next video.